It is a sample size of only 3 games, but the Miami Hurricanes are 1-2 after a 38-17 defeat to the Michigan State Spartans. The Spartans, they remain undefeated at 3-0 after Payton Thorne, he threw for 261 yards, 4 touchdowns, 2 of them to Jalen Nailor. You have to honor what the film says. That's what head coach Manny Diaz said in his post-game presser. The Hurricanes, they committed 4 turnovers in this contest. There were 0 turnovers for the Spartans, and that kept the turnover chain in its crate that it was delivered. Hurricanes wide receiver Charleston Rambo, he tied a Hurricanes record with 12 receptions in this contest, 156 yards, and 2 touchdowns. The Spartans, they're going to host Nebraska next week. The Hurricanes, they're going to host Central Connecticut State.